Hi, I'm Bob Kovacs, and this is my 2014 Mazda 3. Today I'm going to replace the cabin air filter, which is also known as the pollen filter. It's a pretty easy project. The most time-consuming part of it will be to empty what's already in the glove compartment, because the filter goes right behind the glove compartment. Let's get started. With the glove box open, squeeze in hard on both sides about 1.5 inches down to release the stops. Now the only thing holding the glove box here is this damper arm, so we need to pop the fitting off at the bottom of the damper arm. It takes a firm tug, but work off the bottom of the damper arm. And now the glove box door will just tip down. This is the filter here. It's got a catch at the bottom, so lift the catch and pull it straight out. Now you can extend the life of your filter by vacuuming it off. I vacuumed this one off a couple of times already, so I think it's now time to just replace this one. Here's the new filter. So what we need to do is just insert it straight into the slot and push it in until it clicks in place. To put it back together, swing the glove box up, push in on both sides until the catches catch, and then snap the damper arm back in place. And you're done. And that's all it takes. Hey everybody, this is Bob Kovacs. Thanks for watching.